Hey there, struggling with a locked Apple Pay account? Don't worry. In this guide, we're diving deep into how to fix your Apple Pay account being locked. We'll navigate through the steps to get your account back on track so you can resume seamless transactions in no time. Step 1. Understand why your account is locked. First, it's important to understand why your Apple Pay account might be locked. Typically, this happens due to security reasons like entering incorrect password details multiple times, unauthorized attempts to access your account, or unusual spending patterns. Being aware of these reasons can help prevent future lockouts. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. To resolve the lock issue, you'll need to access your Apple ID. Begin by visiting the Apple ID account page, that's appleid.apple.com, and signing in with your credentials. If your account is locked, you might receive a message prompting additional verification steps. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or need to reset it, click on the Forgot Apple ID or Password link on the sign-in page. This will guide you through the necessary steps to reset your password by sending a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to set a new password. Step 4. Update security settings. After regaining access, it's a good idea to update your security settings to prevent future issues. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. This feature requires your confirmation whenever there's an attempt to log into your Apple ID on a new device. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If you followed the steps above and still face issues unlocking your Apple Pay account, it may be time to contact Apple support. Access support through their website or call their helpline. Provide detailed information about the issue. This will help their team assist you efficiently. Step 6. Check for system updates. Ensure your device has the latest software updates, as older versions may have bugs or security vulnerabilities that contribute to account issues. Check for updates in your device's settings under the General section and install any available updates. And there you have it. By understanding the cause and following these steps on how to fix your Apple Pay account being locked, you can swiftly regain access to your account. Remember, keeping your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and staying vigilant can prevent future hassles. If all else fails, Apple support is there to help you get back to smooth operation. With this guide, your Apple Pay account should be back in action, ready to handle all your mobile transactions effortlessly. Safe and happy spending.